She left. She blocked you. She moved on. At least that's what it looks like. But something strange starts to happen. When you go silent, she starts checking your stories. When you stop chasing, she starts asking mutual friends about you. When you stop needing her, she suddenly needs you. This isn't a trick. It's not manipulation. It's rooted in timeless Stoic wisdom and modern psychology. If you do this one thing, she will come back, not out of pity, but because she can't stop thinking about you. Let's unlock this together. In the ancient world, when a Roman general returned from war, victorious but hardened, he walked through the streets of Rome during his triumph. Behind him, a slave would whisper in his ear, "Memento mori." Remember, you are mortal. Why? Because even in your power, you must remain grounded. Even in your loss, you must remain composed. When she walks away from you, it hurts. But that's your triumph in disguise. That's your chance to remember who you are. The man she fell for in the first place wasn't needy. He wasn't reactive. He wasn't texting her paragraphs at 3 a.m., begging for answers. He was focused. He was silent. He was still. That man had gravity. And guess what? You can be him again. But you must understand, she will only return when you return to yourself. Let's break this down. 3 critical concepts unlock why she comes back when you go silent. 1. The law of value deprivation. When something is always available, it loses its perceived value. This applies to luxury brands, rare experiences, and yes, your attention. When you stop giving her the comfort of your presence, she begins to feel your absence. At first, this feels like relief to her, freedom. But over time, that silence becomes loud. Questions creep in. Why hasn't he reached out? Has he moved on? Did I misjudge him? You are no longer predictable. Predictability kills attraction. Mystery resurrects it. 2. The no contact rule. This isn't just ghosting. This is a withdrawal with a purpose. In modern breakups, no contact is advised to allow both parties time to heal. But from a Stoic lens, it's more than space. It's discipline. It's the refusal to abandon your dignity. It's Marcus Aurelius reminding you, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Every time you feel the urge to text her, remember this: she isn't testing your words, she's testing your strength. 3. The power of emotional contrast. Before she left, you were likely available, emotional, maybe even pleading. After she leaves, your silence is a mirror, and that mirror shows her something she hasn't seen before: you without her. That contrast shakes her, because the man who once sought her approval is now focused on his mission. The man who once asked, "Why did you leave?" is now too busy improving to ask. That contrast awakens her emotional imagination, and that is when she returns. Now pay attention to these modern applications that how to apply this as a Stoic man today. 1. Cut contact completely, but with purpose. This doesn't mean hate. This doesn't mean games. It means removing yourself from her emotional world. Unfollow, mute, stop watching her stories. You are not punishing her. You are protecting your focus. The world will tell you, text her, win her back. Stoicism says, win yourself back first. 2. Improve in silence. Most men wait during no contact. You evolve, you get stronger, you hit the gym, read real philosophy, upgrade your style, cut distractions. You become so powerful that her return becomes a detail, not your goal. 3. Build a life. She wants to re-enter. Women don't just want a man. They want to feel something through him. If your life is still dry and anxious, there's nothing to return to. But if your life is disciplined, exciting, and masculine, she starts to orbit again, become the sun. She becomes a planet. 4. Emotional detachment equals attraction. Attachment kills attraction. But when you detach, not out of spite, but wisdom, you gain control. You stop being the man she remembers and become the man she dreams about. 5. Don't respond immediately. If she reaches out, her message is not the goal. Your response or non-response is your test. When she texts, "Hey, how are you?" Don't jump. Don't confess. Stay grounded. Respond only if you've truly let go of the outcome. You're not seeking closure. You are the closure. The modern world teaches men to chase, to plead, to perform. Stoicism teaches us something different. Power lies in stillness. Desire fades in silence. Attraction is not begged for. It is earned through self-mastery. She will come back. Not because of luck, but because the man who once needed her no longer does. And that is the most attractive force in the world. The question isn't, will she come back? The real question is, when she does, will you still want her? Because a stoic man doesn't just get women back. He gets clarity, and sometimes that's worth more than any return.